Elite in 6 weeks is the program to launch new builders. We have a full training video on this that you can check out. But this is our class empowerment system of how we teach a new builder the classes and then really turn it over to them in the following weeks after that initial launch week. So they've just gotten started, they've just launched, and this is the system that they would follow. So you could kind of call this on-the-job training. So it looks something like this. You go to the first class with them and you're gonna help them launch that new builder. That new builder is gonna introduce you and they're gonna edify you as their leader, as their mentor or coach. And then you're gonna take over and run that whole class. That's class number 1. Class number 2, you go to the class with them. The new builder is gonna introduce you. They're gonna edify you as that leader or the special guest that they're gonna hear from later, and they're actually gonna kick off the class. They're gonna tell their story. They're maybe gonna teach the first page or so, the 3 cool things about oils, and then they're gonna pass it off to you. So they could pass it maybe on the inside of the class guide. They could pass it to you when you start talking about the 3 ways to use oils and maybe some solutions, and then you're gonna finish up the class as the leader and close it out for them. That's the second class. Class number 3, do you see a pattern here? Each time that new builder is taking a little bit more ownership from the class and learning how to do it. So class number 3, the builder gets up, they edify the leader that they have a special guest here that they're gonna hear from later, and then really they're gonna kick it off, they're gonna tell their story, they're gonna teach that whole first page and probably part of that second page, a good amount, and then that leader that's there is gonna help them close it. And last but not least, our 4th class. That leader attends the class with a new builder just to be there to help with closing. Follow this simple class system and apply these 3 principles of keep it simple, keep it standard, and keep it systematic, and you will scale your business and create something that is consistent and duplicatable.